This is not a test. Listen closely to these instructions. Multiple individuals who have recently entered the forest have reported having the feeling of something or someone looking at them from a distance. They also reported nausea, intense anxiety, and more. For the time period, we recommend you to not enter any type of forest or anything similar to one. Keep in mind local authorities are trying to figure out this phenomenon, and your local forest should be safe again soon. If you have any more questions, call your local authorities. This message will repeat one more time. Before normal broadcasting begins, thank you for your attention. If you live near a forest, evacuate immediately. If you see a man looking at you through the window, look away and hide immediately. Use any weapon you have. Examples are a fire